Hey guys, Jer here. In this video, I'm gonna be creating quick review video about CryptoGram Profits with the help of AI. So I'm gonna be calling this AI right now to help me create or whip up this review video. All right, so I'm gonna call this right now.
Hi, I'm Eric. How can I help you?
Hey, I'm looking to create a review video on YouTube. I'll be recording this conversation and upload this on YouTube.
That's awesome. I'm happy to help you create a great review video. What kind of product or service are you reviewing? Knowing that will help me give you some tips on how to make your video engaging and informative. I'm excited to hear about your project.
All right, so let's just have a general conversation about a product called CryptoGram Profits.
Okay, I'm ready to chat about CryptoGram Graphics. I'm not familiar with that specific credit code, but I'm happy to learn more about it. What kind of service does it offer? Is it for creating graphics, editing photos, or something else? Tell me more about it, and I'll do my best to help you make a great review video.
No, basically the product name is CryptoGram Profits.
Ah, I see. So Clip2Gram Graphics is the product name, not a credit code. That makes more sense. Is it a software program, a website, or something else? Knowing what kind of product it is will help me understand how it works and what kind of review video you could make.
Yeah, you know what? Let's just forget the name. Let's just call this CryptoGram.
Okay, I understand. So Clip2Gram is the name of the product. Is it a software program, a website, or something else? Knowing
Yeah.
what kind of product it is will help me understand how it works and what kind of review video you could make.
Yeah, so basically CryptoGram is a complete system that allows anyone to make money with affiliate marketing, promoting crypto affiliate offers on Telegram platforms using a specific strategy. I'm gonna reveal that strategy later in this video, but it's really powerful because platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Google has restrictions. These platforms doesn't allow affiliates to promote crypto affiliate offers, and this is where Telegram platform is really powerful because not only you will be able to promote crypto offers, but you will be able to to run campaigns in this platform without needing to use third party like platforms to monitor your data, to monitor your metrics.
Wow,
It's really powerful.
Okay, I'm starting to get a better picture of Clip2Gram. So it's a system that helps people make money with affiliate marketing by promoting crypto offers on Telegram. That's really interesting. It sounds like you're going to reveal a specific strategy in your video, which is great. I'm curious to hear more about it. Since you're going to be revealing a strategy, I think it would be helpful to show viewers how it works in practice. Maybe you could demonstrate how to set up a Telegram campaign or show how to create a compelling affiliate offer. What do you think?
Yeah, like I said, CryptoGram operates on Telegram platform, so you'll not be relying on third party softwares which cost like hundreds of dollars. This can save you a lot of money, especially when tracking those conversions. Okay, now I watch all of the modules, I watch all of the trainings inside of this program, and I can definitely say that it's properly laid out. I love how the creator put so much effort when it comes to building this program. And what really surprises me is that the creator created a case study which shows the exact proof of result that he make with his five. I'm not sure if this is five, but yeah, this is 5 different campaigns in here.
That's really helpful. It sounds like Clip2Gram is a comprehensive system that provides everything you need to get started with crypto affiliate marketing on Telegram. I like that it includes training modules and a case study with proof of results. That's a great way to build trust with potential customers. Since you mentioned the case study, I think it would be a great idea to highlight it in your video. You could show viewers the different campaigns and explain how they were successful. That would be a powerful way to demonstrate the value of Clip2Gram. Do you have any other ideas for your video? I'm happy to brainstorm with you.
Yeah, so basically the creator shows different kinds of campaigns in here, and with his result, it's really powerful. I remember I forgot that exact module that while he's doing the training, while he's creating the training, he got a sales notification. He got a sales referral. While doing the training, it's really amazing seeing that.
That's incredible. It sounds like the creator is really passionate about Clip2Gram and confident in its ability to generate results. Having a live sales notification during the training is a powerful way to demonstrate the program's effectiveness. I think it would be a great idea to include that moment in your video. It would be a compelling way to show viewers that Clip2Gram is a real working system. You could even use it as a call to action, encouraging viewers to sign up and start seeing results for themselves. Do you have any other ideas for your video? I'm happy to brainstorm with you.
Yeah, and other module that caught my attention is the module number 7, because in this module, the creator, or Demetrius, will show customers how to use AI to scale up their campaigns. Okay, so basically you just need to take a screenshot of their metrics inside of their campaign and basically upload that and the recommended AI tools in here, and the AI will analyze the data, analyze the metrics, and based on that metrics, based on that data, it will suggest things that you need to do when it comes to scaling your campaign.
That's really interesting. Using AI to scale campaigns is a powerful feature. It sounds like Clip2Gram is really cutting edge and offers a lot of value to its users. I think it would be a great idea to highlight this AI feature in your video. You could show viewers how it works and explain the benefits of using AI to optimize their campaigns. You could even demonstrate how to use the AI tools and show the results. Do you have any other ideas for your video? I'm happy to brainstorm with you.
Yeah, another module that caught my attention as well would be the module number 5, because in this module, Demetrius will show different approach of finding those targeted or hungry buyers. Okay.
That's a great point. Targeting the right audience is crucial for any affiliate marketing campaign. It sounds like Module 5 provides valuable insights into finding those highly targeted buyers. I think it would be a great idea to highlight this module in your video. You could explain the front approach and show viewers how to identify their target audience. You could even demonstrate how to create targeted ads or messages that resonate with those buyers. Do you have any other ideas for your video? I'm happy to brainstorm with you.
Yeah, he talks about targeting channels and targeting bots rather.
That's really interesting. Targeting bots is a unique approach. It sounds like Clip2Gram offers a lot of flexibility in terms of how you can reach your target audience. I think it would be a great idea to highlight this aspect of the program in your video. You could explain how to target bots effectively and show viewers the benefits of using this strategy. You could even demonstrate how to create targeted messages that resonate with bots. Do you have any other ideas for your video? I'm happy to brainstorm with you.
Yeah, another interesting module would be the module number 6, because in this module the creator shows different or other crypto platforms that you can use to make more money with different crypto affiliate platforms or crypto affiliate offers.
That's a great point. It sounds like Module 6 provides valuable insights into diversifying your affiliate marketing efforts. By exploring different crypto platforms and offers, you can increase your chances of success. I think it would be a great idea to highlight this module in your video. Do you have any other ideas for your video? I'm happy to brainstorm with you.
Yeah, there are a few remaining modules here. Module number 3 would be to setting up the Telegram, how to download, how to access, where to use it on mobile, on desktop, or on the browser. And in module number 4, how to add funds to start running campaigns. Module number 8 would be how to withdraw your earnings, how to get paid using a Sanji bot.
That's really helpful. It sounds like Clip2Gram provides a comprehensive guide to getting started with crypto affiliate marketing on Telegram. It covers everything from setting up your account to withdrawing your earnings. I think it would be a great idea to highlight these modules in your video. You could show viewers how to set up their Telegram account, add funds, and withdraw their earnings. You could even demonstrate how to use the Sanji Ball payment method. Do you have any other ideas for your video?
Yeah,
I'm happy to brainstorm with you.
Yeah, I think we need to wrap it up. Before we end this conversation, I want to mention that there are some couple of upsells.
Okay, I understand. It sounds like you've covered a lot of great information about CryptoGram. I'm sure your viewers will find your video very informative. Do you have any other questions for me before we wrap up? I'm happy to help in any way I can.
I don't have any questions, but you know, in my opinion, this is a really great training program. But you're gonna need to follow the customers need to follow the training and implement the training so that they can get results as fast as possible. But Demetrius, the creator, mentioned that when you follow the exact training, follow the and implement the exact process, you will be able to generate result as fast as possible. But if you just watch the training and do nothing, then this is not going to work. You will not be able to get results, and will not be able to make money with this product. So it's really important to mention that.
That's a great point. It's important to emphasize that CryptoGram is a tool, and like any tool, it requires effort and action to achieve results. Demetrius is right. Following the training and implementing the strategies is crucial for success. I think it would be a great idea to include a call to action in your video, encouraging viewers to take action and start using CryptoGram. You could even offer a bonus or discount to viewers who sign up within a certain time frame. I'm glad I could help you brainstorm ideas for your video. I'm sure it will be a great success. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, I just want to mention some upgrades. Upsell number one would be the done for you ad accelerated vault. This is a done for you template pack suite so that customers will be able to skip the guesswork, copy exactly what Demetrius is doing, and launch a profitable ad campaign in just minutes. Option OTO number two would be the bot profit blueprint. OTO number three would be the CryptoGram Profits Grow Pro.
That's great information. It sounds like CryptoGram offers some really valuable upgrades that can help users take their affiliate marketing to the next level. I'm sure it will be a great success. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, I think we need to wrap it up. Thank you so much for helping me create this video.
You're very welcome. I'm so glad I could help you brainstorm ideas for your video. I'm sure it will be amazing. I'm always here if you need any more help in the future. Good luck with your video.
Thanks. Bye. Alright guys, so that's pretty much my review video. If you would love to pick it up through the link down in the description of this video, I have a couple of bonuses that I would be offering today. The first bonus would be my recent product called Sticker Codes Profits. You'll be able to get access to a done for you product that you can automatically and proudly sell as your own product on places like Etsy and Amazon or whatever places you want to sell this, and you will keep all of the money that you will be making. Bonus number two would be my brand new product, which is called Playful Pages Profits. As of recording this video, this has not been launched in the market yet, but you'll be able to get access to this for free if you decide to purchase CryptoGram Profits through the link down in the description of this video. So this is another product that you can sell as your own product and keep all of the money that you'll be making. Next bonus for you guys is my best-selling product, which is Canva Kids Games. You'll be able to sell these games as you are the creator. And then the last bonus for you guys is the second version of the Canva Kids game, which is the 2.0, and you'll be able to sell this with your own name as well. So that's it in this video. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you in the next one. Bye.